Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and another day of Christmas decorating. Today's part 2 of my porch decorating series. We'll be filling in the gaps in the Christmas decor and working toward my goal of creating a magical winter wonderland from thrifted items and vintage finds. I'm Janet. Thank you for dropping by the Cleveland Cottage, where I love to share my home and life with you. I would love it if you would subscribe. It's free. If you're returning, it's great to see you again. So let's jump into this very busy day. Before we get started, I wanted to apologize. I'm a little under the weather, so it's hard to breathe and talk at the same time. I hope you'll bear with me. The outside is starting to look festive, but as always, I ran out of decor and had to make another shopping trip. I know, how awful is that? Last year was my first year doing YouTube, and I did minimal decorating because I was still trying to figure it all out. This year I said I was going to keep it simple again. However, I thought the porch needed more since I spend so much time on it. So I headed back to the store to purchase a few more items where I thought spaces were lacking things, and to finish putting out my thrifted and antique finds. We're going to start by adding the snow in those glass blocks with the lights that I thrifted for $10. I cannot wait for you to see the porch lit up at night. It's so magical. As you can see, when you fly by the seat of your pants, you sometimes redo things. I just kept rearranging the bowl until I liked the way the arrangement looked. We'll get the table finished, and then I'll decorate the wreaths that I bought for less than $5 a piece on Black Friday at Michael's. I'll be using gift bows to cut down on costs, and then I'll hang the new garland that I bought at Walmart. Nothing fancy. It was only $10 for the whole roll, and I had enough left over for the railing and the gate. I'm glad that I bought the extra garland for the side railing because it looked bare from the side. Next year, Tom wants to extend the icicle lights all around the porch, the rest of the house, and my new shed that he's currently working on. I can't wait to show you how it is coming along. He's been working on it for a few weeks, but the weather and holidays have provided much needed breaks for him. He's converting our old shed into a studio/she shed for me, and adding on to the sides of it for our yard and garden equipment. There's also going to be a space for my decorating totes. I'll be able to decorate more spaces and do clothing hauls and edit without baby Jinx knocking over the equipment. I'm able to do this voiceover today because she's taking a nap on the bed in the sunlight before a big Arctic blast arrives tomorrow. I can't wait to show you what he's done with it. I'm already in love with the space, and I hope you will be too. I think I accomplished my goal of transforming the porch into a magical winter wonderland that I was envisioning, even though I had no plan and was buying things that I loved on a whim. Somehow, I always manage to pull it together. I find that when I try to map things out in my mind, I lose focus and end up with a mess. So I've just learned to trust my gut's instinct and go with whatever I like and brings me happiness and joy. Do you decorate like that, or do you just plan everything out? Let me know in the comments what your process for decorating is. Let's see how everything turned out, and then I'll take you on a tour when it gets dark with music only so you can enjoy the magic.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed the journey in my winter wonderland. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you the next time. Bye.